Saludos a ustedes, corteses aquí, para toda la gente, mi raza, mi gente, inviting everybody, new date, new time, new place. Saturday, August 29th, Iron Circus presents Tattoo Expo, along with the Unity Custom Car Show, Full Tilt Riders Motorcycle Show at Little Creek Casino. I am looking for vendors. If you want to call me right now, 253-389-2234. Repeat, 253-389-2234. That's the number right there. So don't forget, Saturday, August 29th, Unity Custom Car Show, lowrider cars, mini trucks. Come on out. Because of the coronavirus, this might be one of the only car shows of the year, so you don't want to miss it. Also, contact Salvador, New Vision, for a new Jack Rapper thing we're going to be doing. All you performers out there. So once again, if you want a booth, if you want to be a sponsor, contact 253-389-2234 via email, abrahamenso@gmail.com. What's up, Joe?
This is Joe. I want you inviting you to the Unity Custom Car Show, August 29th. I'll see you there.
Órale.